This has got to be one of the coolest video lights I've ever bought. This is an Amaran tube light. Got it on Amazon. It's the Amaran T2C. It is so freaking cool because you don't need to plug it in, so you can take it on set. You can take it on trips and stuff. And all you need is the other piece of it. You connect it. The way to do that is there's a little arrow here, and that connects right onto this gray thing right here. So you push that there like that, twist it, and there's this little hole here. Connect this right there to that. Bam. Look at that. This is so freaking cool. It's pretty much like a lightsaber, like a giant lightsaber, but obviously a little more bulky. But it's sweet because you can change how bright it is. So I'm turning it down right now and it's getting dimmer. See that? It's all the way off. Turn it up. This thing is so versatile, it's crazy. It also comes with like an app and all that stuff. So you can control it with your phone. So like if you want to keep it at a distance, you can do that. Check this out. You can change the hue. So it's getting warmer. Now it's getting cooler. Like, I'm still learning how to use this thing because I just got it a couple weeks ago. But this thing is so cool. And I'm really excited to explore it and use it at like some of my shoots and stuff. Because this is gonna be an absolute game changer. Like, what? That looks so freaking cool. Another really cool thing about this thing, you look right there, lets you know how much power is left on it, on the battery, before you have to charge it. And also, right here, if you press this button, it'll let you know how much power is left on the power bank here. Now I'm gonna turn this off and show you this bag. It also comes with a carrying case. And inside the carrying case, you've got all of the different QR codes to connect your phone to your lights. And then also these little pouches with all of your batteries and your cables and stuff. And it's all neatly packed in there. It's also very protective, so you're not gonna damage your light if you were to happen to drop it or something like that. This thing is insane. Highly recommend it if you're looking for a nice video light that is absolutely amazing and extremely versatile.